Hello and welcome to yet another new video. Today, we are going to learn about the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical cycle in which nitrogen is transformed into numerous chemical forms as it moves through the atmospheric, land, and sea ecosystems. Both biological and physical methods can be used to convert nitrogen.
Nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical cycle in which nitrogen is transformed into numerous chemical forms as it moves through the atmospheric, land, and sea ecosystems. Both biological and physical methods can be used to convert nitrogen. Fixation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification are all important processes in the nitrogen cycle. Atmospheric nitrogen makes up the majority of the Earth's atmosphere, 78%. Making it the most abundant source of nitrogen. However, the availability of atmospheric nitrogen for biological utilization is limited, resulting in a scarcity of usable nitrogen in many ecosystems. It involves several processes, such as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, denitrification, decay, and putrefaction. And 1. What is the summary of the nitrogen cycle? Ants. The nitrogen cycle is a series of events in which nitrogen passes through both living and non-living organisms, including the atmosphere, soil, water, plants, animals, and microbes. In order to progress through the various stages of the cycle, nitrogen must change forms. 2. What is the significance of the nitrogen cycle in life? The nitrogen cycle is important because nitrogen is a necessary nutrient for life on Earth. Amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins, and nucleic acids, which are the building blocks of genetic material, both contain nitrogen, RNA, and DNA. 3. In the nitrogen cycle, what is assimilation? The production of organic nitrogen compounds, such as amino acids from inorganic nitrogen compounds found in the environment, is known as nitrogen assimilation. Plants, fungi, and some bacteria that can fix nitrogen gas, N2, rely on the ability to assimilate nitrate or ammonia to meet their nutritional demands. 4. Where do plants obtain their nitrogen? Soil plants obtain their nitrogen from the soil, which has already been fixed by bacteria and archaeobacteria in the soil, and some plant roots have the ability to convert molecular nitrogen from the air, N2, to ammonia, NH3, breaking the molecular nitrogen triple bond. 5. What makes the nitrogen cycle unique? Nitrogen is an essential ingredient for all living organisms. The nitrogen cycle depicts the movement of nitrogen through many objects, including the atmosphere and the ground. Nitrogen is rarely found in its pure form since it must be fixed in order to be used by living beings. Thank you for watching.